5, 6, ready, and step, lock, step, 2 steps. Mambo, 2 steps. Coaster, step, turn left, and coaster, step, turn right. Weave. Sway left. Weave, Monterey. Out, 2, 3, sailor, quarter, jazz in 4. Forward, lock, step. Walk, walk. Mambo. Walk back. Coaster. Turn left. Turn right. Weave. Monterey. Timida, timida. Walk. Mambo. Coaster. Left half turn. Quarter right. Hey! Monterey. Out, in, out. Sailor. Walk, walk. Walk back. Half turn. Quarter right. Monterey. Timida, timida. Stand by. Walk. And walk. Quarter turn. Everybody weave back. Quarter turn. Sailor quarter. Jazz. Forward, lock, step. Walk, walk. Quick, quick, slow, and back. Coaster. Left turn. Weave. Monterey, quarter right. Point to left, out, in, out. Quarter left. Here we go.
Il coraggio non ce l'ho, forse è l'emozione che ferma il cuore quando son vicino a te, anche se non parlo mai, so che tu lo capirai, sono timida, 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 lo sai, caro, quando sorridi con quello sguardo provocante sono guai, caro,
Way.
quando cammini
Monterey.
tutte si
Out.
voltano
Quarter
a
left.
guardarti
Lock.
e tu lo
Jazz.
sai,
Go.
quando noi siamo insieme
Back, back.
io son gelosa se qualcuna guarda te, vorrei dirtelo però chissà quando lo farò, sono timida, 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 timida.
Last time.
Timida,
Walk.
timida, lo so.
Coaster. Turn, half turn. Yes. How's it getting better? Get ready. Here we go. Let's do the first part of the dance, starting with your right foot. We're going to step forward with a step, lock, step. So forward, lock, step with your right. Step, lock, step. And then we take 2 slow steps walking forward, left, and right. From here, we're going to do a mambo with the left. Forward, recover, back. And then we're going to take 2 steps walking back. Back, and 2. And that's your first section. And now you've got the rhythm. Quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. And the count will be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's try the first pattern. We're ready with your right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. How are we doing? Everybody good? One more time. Ready? And step, lock, step, walk, walk. Mambo, forward, back, back. All right, weight is back on your left foot. Make sure we have a good screen, Di. Can you see me?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to fix it a little bit better. We had a lot of wind today, so we couldn't put the sign up.
I'll go out there, I'll check.
All right, tell me how close I can get. Can you still see me here?
Yes.
Oh, good, okay. All right, one more time, here we go. Forward, lock, forward, walk, walk, mambo forward, and back, back. Your weight is back on your left. Section 2, we're going to do a coaster step with the right. So, we're going to go with the right foot, back, together, forward. And now, we're going to do a step forward on the left and a half turn over the left shoulder. So you're going to step forward on left, and now with your right foot, you're going to step back, making a half turn over your left shoulder to face the back wall at 6. So again, quick, quick, slow, and then slow, slow. Let's try that. Ready? Weight is back on your left. Coaster step. Back, together, forward, step, half turn. Good. We're going to do another coaster step the second time. This time, your weight is back on your right. So you're going to do a coaster step with your left. Back, together, forward. And now you're going to make a quarter turn to your right. Stepping quarter turn right and step left to the side. Once again, the rhythm was quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. All right, let's try that again. Your weight is back on your right foot, and you do a coaster step with the left. Coaster step, turn a quarter, step to the side. All right, Amber.
Amber.
Amber, in the house. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go in the house. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. All right, so let's see if we can do that whole second section again. All right, where were we?
Quarter turn.
We had our weight back on our left foot. Here we go for section 2, coaster step. Back, together, forward, step, pivot, half turn. Back, together, forward, quarter, right to the side. All right. Let's do the counts once again. Here we go. Ready? Right foot begins. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. You should all be facing 9 o'clock. So this pattern faces 6 and then 9. So it's 2 wall changes in 8 counts. Let's put together the first pattern where there's no change of walls, and then part 2. We'll put together the combination. Your weight is on your left. You start both sections with your right. Lock step, part 1. Step, lock, step. Walk, walk. Now with the left. Mambo, forward, back, back. Section 2. Coaster with right. Step, half turn, coaster with left, quarter right side. All right, let's do it again with the counts. You have half of the dance. Here we go. And 1 and 2, walk 3, walk 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Everybody's weight is on their left. You ready for section 3? All right. Here comes section 3. We're going to do a weave with the right foot. It's a syncopated weave. Behind, side, cross. Ready? Behind, side, cross. Sway to the left, sway to the right. Let's try that. Ready? Weight is on your left. Behind and cross. Lean left, lean right. And with the left, we're going to do a syncopated weave, the same as we did with the right foot. Behind, side, cross. And on the next 2 slow counts, we're going to do a quarter Monterey right turn. So we're going to go point, together. Okay? Let's see if we can do that pattern. All right, ready? Weight is on your left. Weave behind. Behind and cross, sway to the left, sway to the right. Behind, side, cross, Monterey quarter, turn, right. Very good. Let's see if you've got the first 3 counts. And as I said before, if you can see, the rhythm is the same throughout. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Follow that and you'll do just great. Ready? Section 1. Weight is on your left. 1 and 2. Walk 3. Walk 4. 5 and 6. Back 7, 8. Coaster 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4. Coaster 5 and 6. Quarter 7, 8. Weave 1 and 2. Sway left, right. 5 and 6. Point, turn. Excellent. One more time. Did you notice that wherever you start the dance, you finish the 3rd section on the same wall? So we're right back at 12 where we started. You got it? Let's put it together again. And right lockstep, walk, walk, mambo step, walk, walk, coaster step, step half turn, coaster step, quarter turn, weave in 3, sway, sway, weave in 3, Monterey. Okay, here comes the last section. The rhythm changes here. We start out with the 1 and 2 count. Starting with your left, we go out, in, out. And then we're going to do a sailor quarter turn to the left. Step behind, making your quarter turn, step forward, and we finish with a jazz box, right over left. Cross, back, side, forward. End of dance. So let's try that last section. We're going to point our left toe, out, in, out, in, out. Do a sailor quarter left turn, sailor quarter turn, cross, back, side, forward. Your weight is on your left, and wall 2 will be right there at 9 o'clock. So that's all the steps. And like I said, no tags, no restarts, so there's no surprise. Let's see if we can put the whole dance together. We'll do it a couple of times, then we'll do it on each wall. Maybe we'll do it once just with the music to feel it, and then we'll do it together, all right? Here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, walk 3, walk 4. Mambo forward and back. Coaster step, half turn. Coaster, turn right. Coaster. Weave in 3, side recover. Weave back 3, Monterey turn. Out, in, out. Sailor quarter, jazz, 6, 7, 8. Getting it? All right. Let's try it a little bit faster. Ready with the counts. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. 2 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. 3 and 2, sway 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 4 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Let's try wall 2. Ready? And step, lock, step, walk, walk. Mambo forward, back. Coaster step, half turn left. And coaster step, quarter right. Weave back 3, sway, sway. Back, weave 3, Monterey. Out, in, out. Sailor quarter, jazz 4. Now face the back. All right. You ready? Let's try wall 3, facing 6 o'clock. Step, lock, step, walk, walk. Mambo forward, back, back. Coaster step, turn left. Coaster step, turn right. behind and cross, side recover, behind and cross, Monterey turn, out, in, out, sailor quarter left, jazz 4 from the beginning, wall 4, walk and 2, mambo, back and 2, coaster with right turn left, half turn, coaster with the left, quarter right, weave in 3, sway, weave in 3, Monterey, out, in, out, sailor quarter, jazz 2, 3, 4. How's that? Any questions? Let us know if you want me to go over any section before we do it with the music. And before we do that, I want you all to turn and face 6 o'clock for the last time we do the dance on wall 11 facing 6. Let's do the first 14 counts. This is the way we end the dance. Just keep following the beat and follow the steps. Starting with your right, wall 11 facing 6. Section 1. 1 and 2, walk 3, 4, 5 and 6, back 7, 8. And now we have 6 more counts. So you do wall section 2, coaster step. Here we go, 6 counts. 1 and 2, half turn 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you finish. 5 and 6 is where you finish. So it's 14 counts. Let's do that again. So here we go. 1 and 2, walk 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and then 6 more counts, coaster step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, do your coaster step with the left to finish. 5 and 6. The dance will end right there. So no worries, just keep dancing.